think I'm playing, homie, blow me, you just wait and see me. Flying through the clouds and shit. I'm wildin' through the crowds, you bitch. And tough talk, you cut off. I'm stalling from the bus stop. A lady killer back in kindergarten with my lunch bar. I made the beat, man, open and close. I wrote the verse, man, open and close. And these girls, man, open and close. Cause we make it look so easy when we play at these shows. Top off the bottle of Aquafina, staying hydrated. While getting high off the weed and my pupils dilated. Basement to the main stage, feeling like I migrated. Mike Bill, when we touching his, nope, I made it. And I'm faded like my jeans too. I got the drive while I'm alive to see my dreams through. Doing it better than anybody you've seen do. Anything resembling my style, I've been true. Fact biting, hot as black, lightning dope as crack. Lighting, walking to the battle and these motherfuckers act frightened. Slack tighten, cause I bring the power, I'm the rap titan. See me in the building, snap a picture, that's a stack. Say I'm ballin' from the get-go, rolling like a metro. Ask around if I'm the shit, you'll get more than I guess so. Controversy is honestly worthy of the best flow. And any beat that I ain't touched is waiting there on death row. I made the beat, man, open and close. Okay. I wrote the verse, man, open and close. Okay. And these girls, man, open and close. Cause we make it look so easy when we play at these shows. I made the beat, man, open and close. I wrote the verse, man, open and close. Yeah. And these girls, man, open and close. Cause we make it look so easy when we play at these shows.
Yo, good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? What up, Donato Cabrera? Donato, I swear I looked up, your name once or something, just to check or something, like to see if it was a baseball player or something. And I thought it was a baseball player. But then I asked ChatGPT yesterday because we were talking about it, and I was like, curious? Because I'm curious like a cat. And it said it was a freaking conductor, like a music conductor, not a, yeah, I don't know, I swear I saw it was a baseball player. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Good morning anyway, welcome, thank you for showing up, Donato, I appreciate you, brother. Good morning, sir. All set, Seti Setterson in the house. Anchor gang. Drop some anchors in the chat for my anchor gang, bro. All set. Bro, Anchor B-Wops hit hard, hey, bro. Fucking love him. Yeah, Donato knows. Donato knows. Oh. All set. I feel like you drop anchors differently than me. We should do a live in Discord or something and compare anchor VWAP strats or a utilization of the tool. Bro, look at these live plays lately, eh, you guys? Isn't this psycho? Like I know it sounds like, oh, he's bragging, oh, braggy, but like, no, bro, I sucked for like so long. So like, when you suck for like 10,000 hours, bro, you get pretty excited when you stop sucking so much. And like, my entries are getting better. It's sweet. I used to have to ladder in from the top. Where's oh, Rashad the Crypto God in the house. Boom, boom. Welcome, Rashad. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Yeah, HRJ Trading. The man, the myth, the legend. He's a legend. Yeah, bro. HRJ. I know you got some gems, bro. HRJ, he's got gems on gems on gems, I bet. HRJ's probably forgot as much as I've learned. Because he knows that much. AlJR, good morning, bro. Beautiful wakey bakey to you, sir. I hope you're feeling well. There's AlJR smoked out in the chat on that loud. Just gonna take a peek at these trades. Oh, sweet. Oh, no. Oh, it's not bad. Not as good as I wanted. Whoa, you guys, check this out too. It's crazy. We'll get into these charts. We'll break this down. Let's do a top down. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. I appreciate you guys a lot. Every day. Love printing and having coffee with you fellas and ladies. If they show up. If there's any ladies in the lurking. Oh, yeah, okay, so this worked out. Yeah. But this got stopped. But as you all know, I ladder in. So I did not get stopped. But I wish my setup would have worked. It was a bit premature, I guess. But multiple time frames were overcooked, and the analysis backed it. So the setup got stopped from the live. But this is the thing about laddering in wide, you guys. I can't drop wide ladder-ins. Because I realized most people use too much size just in general, and too much leverage in general. So then when you start getting into wide stop losses and laddering in, like especially new people, they might think, like when I say a quarter of an entry, they might think a quarter of an account. Or like, you know. So I just don't want to mislead new people. Not financial advice, of course. This is just my trades and what I do, or what I would do if I was trading that way. But anyway, so as we know, I ladder in. So I was up there, and then I think I had 4-3. Because remember I said I sized down. I did a 1/4 of my normal 1/4, and my normal 1/4 has an emergency 1/4, so that's like already, if you count the emergencies, it's like 1/8. So then with the shady alts, I'll do like 1/16. It's a small position size. But anyway, so I laddered like, where was it? Here, our first entry. I entered live there. I'll make these ladders red. Red, I said red. Thank you. And then I laddered, I think it was around here. And then I laddered around here. And then I laddered around here. And then I like kept, when I went into profit, I was chilling at what's his name? Squids. Chilling at Squids last night after, and he was long, and I was like, bro, I'm short, and he's like, ah, but then he didn't care or whatever, and I didn't care. We both stuck to our own thing. But then it started going down, and he's like, he read that I was short, and he started going down. He's like, he closed out of his long, and then so once I got here though, I'm just trying to teach like some dynamic risk management. But yeah, so I got out at my final take profit was at the bottom too. I'll show you. I think I dropped it in Discord. I don't know. Anyways, so once I got in profit, I closed these three basically. I closed 75% of my position back to original position size, and then as soon as I was up a certain amount of percent, I would add one position size back in to cut my average entry halfway to where it is, and then I'd take half profit. Then when I was in a certain amount of profit again, like 8 to 16% ish, I would add another position ladder entry, and my entry would droop. It would go even closer to where price was, and then I would take half again. And then when it went in my favor again, I would add another half entry or another piece ladder, quarter order, and then I would take profit again. And I just kept following that all the way down while I was chilling with Squid all night before bed. And then before bed, I left it, and I left it at original position size. And I wish I would have like threw an extra like quarter in or something, or couple. I wish I would have threw all of it in because it did great. But yeah, so I set my TP. I can show you how I figure out TPs too. Like when I'm estimating TPs, it worked great. My full TP hit at 86%, you guys, on 8x, 86%. Plus, I had already averaged my entry worse than my actual entry because I kept adding, taking profit, adding, taking profit. So I got 80% after that. So altogether, I don't even know. Let's measure it. It's a fat move though. But that's why I like laddering it. Long story short. 30%, bro. Woo. That's a life-changing trade if you're a gambler. But it's a good trade though if you're a responsible trader. Definitely a good trade. But yeah, so that was that. Here, I'll show you the thing. I'll show you the, just so you can, for dynamic risk, or like just to like stretch your minds a bit, so you can see different ways of doing stuff. I'll drop it in the P&L thing here, like the trade history of it, and I'll show you just for an example, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's change the screen share. Oh, JVV in the house. Yeah, HRJ knows ladder gang. Ladder gang. I love laddering in, bro. Laddering in is so good. And it's good for beginner traders too. Because if you size small and ladder in, like size small, like safe, practice small, like that. Practice that, you'll rarely take an L. And that's good for someone learning. It's good for the self-esteem, and it's good to perfect your entries because you're always in the trade. You're in the trade. You're in the market. You're going with the waves. You're seeing what's happening. You're tracking it. You're charting. You're checking the oscillators because you gotta monitor your stuff. I think it's a great learning tool. $1 trades, ladder in. I wouldn't change it for the world. Okay, screen capture. Let's go to Discord quick. I'll show you this picture of my trade history. How I milked it. I milked this thing for everything I could get. It's actually pretty sweet. See? One order down here. Draw down. Added to it. Draw down. Ooh, added to it. Draw down. Added to it. I think this is the top. I'm gonna add to it to make my entry a little better. Probably on the way down here somewhere. Once I started noticing it was like starting to go. So then I added again. And then once I was in profit, I was like, oh, sweet profit. So then I took my profit back to original position size. And then now on the jog backs, on the little pullbacks, I would add a quarter order. I'd add a quarter order back in. Or even in profit, I would add a quarter in, like I was saying. Once I was in like 8% to 16% profit, I'd add a quarter order, take half of it back, profit. Add a quarter order, take half of it back, profit. Add a quarter order, take half of it back, profit. Then I set my take profit, and it hit in here. And the way that I found the take profit, I've been using Bollinger Bands on the exchange, just like since I started, because I like Bollinger Bands, because it's like a average true range kind of. Same idea. It's a standard deviation, right? Based off of like previous price action and stuff. So I think I went to the 1 hour. Yeah, I went to the 1 hour. And then so if on whatever time frame you're looking at Bollinger Bands on, if you get a candle close below the midline, or if you're going up, it'd be inverse. So if you got a candle close above the midline. But yeah, so if you get a candle close on whatever time frame you're looking at Bollinger Bands on, above the midline, and I don't mean just peeking through it like a bit. Like you want a good candle close. Good candle close, like a good chunk. This is a bad example because this ain't the 1 hour that I was looking at it on. But as soon as you get a candle close past that midline, there's a very high probability that you will go to the lower deviation band or the upper deviation band, depending on which way you're going. And that's how I set my TP. I went to the 1 hour, I think it was, and the 1 hour candle was closing past the midline. So then I went down to the bottom of the Bollinger, the lower band, and then the band kind of goes up to meet price a bit. See how it goes up to meet price. They'll meet each other halfway eventually, especially on a larger time frame, because it takes longer. So by the time the low line, by the time the low Bollinger Band sweeps through the candles, if you looked ahead of time, it would be like half or 3/4 of the way between the mid and the bottom of the band. So I looked at it, candle was closing below the mid, so I went to the bottom, and then I just jogged up 1/4 of the way towards the mid, and I found an good even number. I think it was 16 or 50. It didn't even go to 16, it says here, but it might have. But yeah, I don't know. I set it for 15 or something. And yeah, it fucking hit perfectly in my sleep, bro. So that was cool. That's how I got this 86 thing. But yeah, back to the charts, back to the top-down analysis. That was just a little dynamic risk management. Just showing you guys how I trade and stuff, just in case you want to explore and practice with paper trading or whatever. Not financial advice, of course. Thus, the paper trading practice. I'm just changing my screen share back. Oh, the real K Diggity's in this bitch. What up? Good morning, bro. Good morning, K Diggs. Coffee cheers. Let's go. Good morning, bro. Thanks for coming. Thanks for popping in. Have a coffee and do some top down and before we get some breakfast on the go and head over to Alex O Crypto. Okay, let's see. Start with this puppy again. We're still living down here, guys. I'm still favoring longs. I expect a possible sweep, like a pullback or a sweep of the lows, worst case scenario, and then continuation up. That's just a guess, though. That's just my speculation when I was looking earlier. But let's do a thorough. I wasn't looking this hard, so let's do a thorough one. Oh, is the music too loud, you guys? Can you please let me know? Yeah, you're welcome, brother. Steve Hickey in this bitch. Thanks, all set. I'm glad you dig it. I love it. This is my bro and my local bro in Edmonton, Alberta, Mitchell Lawler. Shout out to Mitchell Lawler. It's linked in the description too. And Justin Cartier from Onion Lake. But both their Spotify's are linked in the description. Shout out to them for giving me permission to bang these tunes, bro. I love these tunes too. Some of the songs are about trading too, eh? Like, not about trading, but easily related to trading. Yo, Luke, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Asia. Or, good evening, Asia. Good morning, Luke. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you, brother. Oh, it's good? Cool, cool, cool. So we're still living down there. So I'm still expecting a little float to this end, because for like 7,000 hours of charting and studying and trading, that's what's happened. So why would I expect different? I'd be crazy not to. Doesn't mean we can't go down though. Just means 4-hour RSI heat map, which could take. It's already been days that I've been waiting for this to get up here. But yeah, it can take like 3 to 7 days. But it's already been like 5, I think. So, still favoring my long setup. Doesn't mean I can't scalp a short though. So yeah, let's check out the long versus short. We're heavy long. That's not good. Well, it's not bad. That's when I tend to look for shorts. Yep. Okay, let's look at this. This is the one that I like to look at. See, still, bro.
White bit.
Still.
White bit.
Hey, all set? What's up with White Bit? What is White Bit? No. Yo, French Toaster in the chat. What up, French Toast? Good morning. I gotta drop some roller skates. Did I miss anything else? Oh, I dropped some purple hearts for JV. Let me get in here. Let me get in here.
Spell it right, put a dot with it. Made a bag and hit the block with it. Kept my brothers with me, told the haters to come and get me. Now them niggas put stock in it. Yeah, they rock with it. I became the man, but now I'm slipping. We ain't shaking hands. Feel like John Lennon. If I drop my guard, I get popped on by a crazy fan. Stay 10 toes, cold follow.
Yeah. Good morning. Thanks for coming. I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Printing with friends is funner than printing alone. Frank the Tank. Frank the Tank. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, brother. My day one, bro. My day one trading, bro. So yeah, white bit, shady, outlier. Worth noting still. Same. Same. But we're heavier long though on the 4 hour. Let me see this. Are we still heavier long on this too? A little closer to 50-50, but still slightly heavy long. But white bit is really heavy long. Baston. Baston. How's Baston doing? I haven't been catching any games lately. Okay, so that's that. Oh yeah, I want to check out liquidations. Could be shorts, eh? I made a name for myself like I was born without one. Made a name for myself. Hope I can make someone else feel how I felt when I would hear my favorite artists. They haven't taken much shorts, bro. We could get this long could keep longing. Come here. Whoa. Oh, weird. That's weird. Why would the 4 hour be more short like he's? Well, it's not more. Or wait, it's 4 hours. Yeah, it is more. How 4 hours more short lickies? Oh, because we're getting up there enough to start licking them, maybe? I don't know. You'd think the 1 hour would be too, though. Because, like, yeah, whatever. So that's the longs and that's the liquidations. I mean, the wrecked. So we got 24 hour. We got 383 million longs wrecked, and 162.84 shorts wrecked. And then we got a total of 554.92 million lickies. I like to see 1 billion before we get a reversal. Or more. Like a good reversal. But yeah, that's just me. I think it happens a lot. So let's go to did that. Oh yeah, heat map. Boomski. All I do is keep it authentic. If I said it, I meant it. I hope I can send a good message. You know I'm about to get all set. You want to hear LBC's song? I'll shut up so we can actually listen to it too. It's called Ride the Wave, bro. My bro doesn't even trade or nothing. He just made these tunes and like a lot of them are easily relatable to trading. This is LBC's song. I'll turn up a bit. Hopefully I don't wake anyone up too much. All sets like me, he can bang. I'll turn it back down after. Juicy lickies there. I'm feeling cozy, I'm feeling great. All that good coming by the crate. Shout out Georgia, I'm headed straight. Ooh, let's have some juicy topside liquidity on the weekly. I'm maxed on me, I'm in the trenches, my name hangs on. I'm back, homie, no riding benches. And where the fuck could I not go? I don't care about copper blip. In no rush, I walk slow. Feeling good since I got a grip. I'll never have a Nicorette. My shoe closet been filled right, collecting dividends. I'm grabbing checks like I'm Bill Knight. Now I'm putting up. Yeah, I made it out. Had to call my bluff. Yeah, yep, juicy upside licks. A lot of licks to hit up here. Hey, ride the wave. LBC, Lunar Beaches Crypto. Shout out to Lunar Beaches Crypto. Yep. More lickies on the upside for sure. Oh. Now these ones show on the 12 hour.
Yeah, empty the tank. I got so many to thank. Lord of my fam, cover my flank. My pen game is rank. I pull from my memory bank. The work that we're making is dank. We got the swank. We do not care what you think. You send me your track. I love a good prank. Go get the walk in the plank. We go way back, but you still ain't seen my shows. Why you say that?
These are real close though, huh? Oh yeah, we'll see, we'll see.
Homie, I don't play that. Switched up for the better. I won't change that. Now I put it up.
Go top down. Go top down. Yeah. Okay, I'll turn these tunes down a bit. Is that good? Oh, don't worry, K-Diggs. We'll be dropping tracks, bro. Yeah, well, we've had some really good shorts for a while. Quite a few good shorts. But yeah, it would be good. It's gonna be a good setup for a greasy short for sure. It will be. We'll definitely get a ton of shorts in the near future. I just got one last night, Frank. Check it out. I laddered in. My setup from yesterday got stopped because I assume that people are using like too big a size and too high of leverage. And they don't know how I trade and laddering in and blah 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 blah. Hit me up for a one-on-one in the free Discord. But I laddered in, so I didn't get stopped. And I got a 30% move out of this from the live yesterday. Steady printage, bro. I needed it too. I was a little bummed out. So yeah, that cheered me up. Okay, holding 786 still. Speaking of shorts and longs. But we rejected off this value area low, I think, here. But anyways, let's check out the oscillator too. Just for a little recap ski. It's on a 3-day though. But speaking of it's on the 3-day, I want to see something. Okay, this is my point, Frank. This is my case for getting too horny about shorts and shit. Moving average, top end. I see one's at the top end over here. Down. Is at the top end here? Down. So that's a lot of shorts we've done. And then see this clipping? Okay, see this clipping down here? Up. And then back here? No clipping, not a good example. But anyways, so clipping up, clipping down, clipping. What comes after that? What comes up? Typically, yo, Alexo Crypto. And now you're spoiling me. Thanks, Alexo Crypto, bro. Appreciate you, brother. But yeah, so I'm expecting potentially some juicy upside still. I'm not gonna lie, that's what I'm thinking. But that's like, that could take forever. And they could just chop and stay down here forever. Like, anything's possible. Frank's a bear. He's a perma bear, I've noticed. Alex, bro, check out these, you gotta see this, bro. I'm so proud. You helped me. Alexo taught me how to make my entries better too, you guys. Shout out to Otta Gang. Yeah, bro. Alex clipping. Yeah, the Otta clipping. Otta Gang Trading Asia. But check out these plays, bro. I've been killing it. Shout out to Alex O. Helped me get my entries better. I was telling him how I used to ladder in like way early. And yeah, it's getting better. So shout out. Appreciate you. Yeah, that is funny. How you have to go into settings and turn it on manually now. It's like the best, one of the best parts of it. It's like, yeah, top 3 for sure parts of the oscillator. Yeah, I thought that was weird. But whatever. Maybe it's just so maybe it's to make it look cleaner. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Alex. Maybe it was to make it look cleaner so when new people buy it and turn it on, they're not like yeah, they're hiding it for us, bro. It's top secret now. Nobody knows. They need to hit us up for one-on-ones to figure it out now. Just kidding. But no, maybe it's for new people so they don't get overwhelmed when they turn the thing on. Cause it's a lot of. I could see it tripping out someone who doesn't know what's going on. And then I add this moving average. Hey, do you see this moving average, bro? I added to it. Digital showed me this. I like it. It kind of takes a lot of noise out of it. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Alex. Best. It's the best part of the indicator. It's the lead. It's a leading indicator too. It's like the first thing to let you know, eh? Harbski. Oh, I gotta drop otters in the chat too. Curtis Hill gang. I gotta drop some smoked out faces for Curtis Hill. Did I already? I forget. I get caught up. No, I dropped him for LJR. Yeah, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Some otters in the chat for Otter gang. And Curtis Hill gang. Alexo Crypto. And Harpski. Good morning, Harp. Thanks for showing up, brother. I appreciate you. I like having my morning coffee with you guys. Printing. Well, yeah, I'd call that TP2, though. Just because it's like Alex O says, don't be a dick for a tick. If it gets close to your TP and it's dicking around, like not smashing into it, probably best just to take a nibble. Is that why you moved here, Alex? Yeah, man, things have went dark, eh? Dark days over here. But nothing against Supreme Leader. Nothing against Supreme Leader. But yeah, I can't wait. I don't know when. Alberta would be the first to go too. So yeah, top down. Let's see. 8 hour. Still on the low end. Still on the low end. Moving average curving up to low end. Leading indicator, like Alex was saying, true 7. Clipping. Got clipping here. On the 8 hour. And on the 3 day. 8 hour, 3 day clipping. Moving average bottomed out. Oscillator bottomed out. Typically when that happens, goes to the other end. I don't know. More often than not, so it's worth a stabberoo. Yeah, we're on our way on the 4 hour. Candles getting bigger, tiny candles. Now they're growing. 2 hour. 2 hour, little pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation. Hopefully. But these candles are getting smaller too. But that's just because it was the pullback. Let's see. Oh yeah. This looks better. Remember the other day I was sketched out about it? And then we dropped. But yeah, so this looks better. Oop. Oop. Me likey. Me likey. LBC. My ninja. Good morning, bro. Welcome. Waves in the chat for LBC. I don't know if you guys know, but Lunar Beach's crypto Discord, the beach house, is lit AF, and he hooked me up with spare, fully furnished, by the way, fully furnished spare bedroom there. Very grateful. Thanks, David, for the chill digs and keeping the kitchen stocked. It's always a good time every time at the beach house. David, I played your song and turned it up. Me and Allset were banging. Who else was banging? K-Diggs was banging. Next time. 45 minute. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Remember earlier I was saying I'm expecting like maybe a little pullback, possible sweep of the lows before any continuation. Hopefully it's just a pullback though. Just like a retest of previous highs. Shout out to Alex. Retest of previous highs. But you know New York, man, they get out of hand. So they could sweep the lows. It's always in the cards. Expect anything always. Or expect everything always. We might tap this TP 1 or 2, I mean, before NY open. Maybe. And get a bear div. I need a lower high. And this moving average is falling over 2 on the half hour. So yeah, we could sweep the highs right now. Tap the, or even at open, or right now. But yeah, tap the TP2 and then go down here somewhere. Very probable. And then slightly probable or possible down here, sweep the lows. That's my top-down analysis. For Bitcoin, let's check out the USDT dominance just to see how things line up. Redrives SFP income, yeah. I believe it. Yeah, bro, today's... Oh, I forgot to go over the freaking calendar. Okay, Alex, put your shades on. I know you live in the side of a hill in the Shire. Put your shades on, or in your igloo. It's dark in the igloos down here. I'm gonna flashbang anyways, long story short. Boom. Reload just to make sure. Look at this dirty day we got ahead of us, boys and girls. Red folder. Oh, these are done. These are done. Okay, here. Red folder. Red folder. Red folder. Red folder. Red. Orange, red. And then these, Bank of Japan. 3 juicy reds there. A few juicy reds here. Let's see what they are. BOE. Government Bailey speaks. Sounds like a chode. Main refinancing rate, monetary policy statement, CPI, unemployment claims, Philly, shout out to Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, ECB press conference. I don't know what that is, but it's a red folder. Stretch your button pushers, use a tight stop loss, size down, or just don't trade, watch the show. And then tonight, after New York close. Ooh, that's late tonight too, eh? Well, 7 for me, that's not bad. But for New York, that's 9 Eastern. We got some New Zealand stuff, but it's just a yellow folder. And then this Bank of Japan stuff, monetary policy statement, and Bank of Japan press conference. So yeah, get ready for that action. I'm definitely being careful today, sizing down. Nice tanning glasses, like with the you got the red ones. I got blue ones here. Oh, I gotta see that pic, bro. You should wear those today on stream, bro. When you do the flashbang, you should put the tanning glasses on. Oh, that's funny, bro. That's funny. Oh yeah, so back to USDT now that we checked out the psychotic red folder filled day. Oh, look at this imbalance, bro. Look at that imbalance. savage. Both ways. It was like, pew, pew. But yeah, so we could go down and fill this, which would pump the longs. Let's check the oscillators. Ew, hidden div. And clipping, bro. Hidden div and clipping on the 44. Yeah, we might sweep the lows. Today's gonna be crazy, I bet. What's up with yesterday? Yesterday felt like a news day, but there was like no news. That was weird. I'm gonna zoom out a bit more. I just want to see that. So I get a broad view. See, we got a bear div. Is it hidden or is it a real one? It's a real one. So we had clipping and a bear div on the 4 hour, which is juicy, very, very juicy. And I don't think it's all played out yet. Plus, look at this wick, bro. As if they don't want to fill that wick. Okay, this USDT doesn't respect any of these things, bro. I'm getting rid of all this shit. It just keeps disrespecting my trend lines. It hurts my feelings. But yeah, look at that wick. That's a juicy wick. Pump those longs, baby. Pump those longs so Frank the Tank can build a juicy short. Yeah, double bear dips, clipping previously. Lots of room to the downside anyways on the oscillators. We still got this juicy fat wick, plus this imbalance. It's pretty thin there, thin volume there. So it might fill just by nature, just because I know no one's trading this or whatever, but it's like it's inverse to like the crypto market. So and in fact, let's see what it looks like next to. Let's see what it looks like next to. Total. Just for curiosity's sake. Look at that. Look at that. I knew it. I knew it would be exactly the opposite. Like, it doesn't take a rocket science. I'm not saying I'm smart. I'm just saying I had a hunch. But yeah, check it out. Wickage. Curvage. USDT dominance. Total market cap. So yeah, when I'm looking at shitcoins or like even Solana and stuff, sometimes the price action and the oscillators and stuff will be like muddy, deceiving, if you will. So then I'll look at this stuff, USDT total sometimes, or USDT dominance total sometimes, and sometimes I'll look at Bitcoin dominance. And when if we get a rejection at resistance on Bitcoin dominance, alts will pump. And looks like it's hitting some resistance on the hour and a half-ish or whatever. Let's see, let's zoom in a bit. Just want to check the oscillator. Yeah, we got room to the downside. So the alts might give a little pumpage, maybe. Or it might just fall. If it tanks hard, I think Bitcoin tanks hard and stuff, they'll just follow it. But if it like just pulls back and ranges, the alts can pump. Let's see what my positions are doing. Curiosity's sake. Then got 15 minutes. Sec long. Oh yeah, my sec long isn't problem. Just taking some profit real quick. Gotta lock it in. Gotta take it before the market takes it back. Add to my Zec short. Don't do this to me, internet. So you tell me the order didn't fill, but now when I push the button, you'll fill 2 of them. Watch. Shady. Oh no, it did. It didn't do it this time. That's good. Slow short. Oh, not it. Yeah. We're good. Okay. Alts room to downside. BTC dominance. Bear div. It's on the 45. Rashad the Crypto God. We are clipping on the half hour. Well, we did. And now it's falling over. This one I had colorized turned on. See, with colorized, it's cool. Or like, it's handy. Colorized, if you wait for it to get blue, start hunting along. Especially if it's multiple time frame. Like if it was like 2 hour, 1 hour, half hour, 15. And you're down here on all of them. It'd be a real good time to long. Especially with the wicks. Dark blue, forest green, dark blue. And then same thing on the other side. If it's wicking, you get this blood red on multiple time frames. The shorter ones preferably. You can build a short. You could short here, and then if it does a jog up for a sweep or something, for a bear div, you could do a short there. Add to it, I mean, second half of your position. And then printage, low leverage though, of course, for that. But yeah, I used to like colorize. I still do, I just don't use it. I just use the Hikanashi with my candle colors. Does anyone have any trades? Anyone have any requests before we dip? It's almost time to go to Otta Gang. Otta Gang. Is Alex still here? I want to show him this deadly short. Short was dope. I'll show David. I'll show David my deadly short. It's pretty legendary. Oh, where's my setup? Hate that. Bro. Oh, maybe I can just go back. Probably be quicker, eh? Than me searching. Or will it be quicker? I push a lot of buttons, eh? No wonder I like trading. Professional button pusher. Come on. There. Check out that short, bro. Last night in my sleep ski. Well, like, I was awake for half of it. But yeah. So crazy. It trips me out. This is what trips me out about shitcoins. How can this one do this? Oh yeah, because it's a shitcoin. While Bitcoin and stuff was like casually pumping up. Oh, is that because, I don't know, yeah, that's weird. Sol was casually pumping up too, and it's an alt. But then this thing just like, just died. Just puked on everyone. You don't have to type no request. There's either a request or there's not. Frank, no request. Yeah, I know, Frank. You trade Bitcoin and you're always short. Yeah, I don't have any requests either. I'm doing okay-ish. But yeah, sometimes all you need is an anchored VWAP, eh? All set. Are you in any trades? Frank, are you short right now? Are you short still from a month ago or days ago or something? Up here, a couple of days ago. Did you get in this short, Frank? That would have been juicy. It was so fast, I missed it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with DCA. It depends on how much money you have. Like if I had more money, I would DCA forever because it's a long-term holding. But yeah, if you're a trader and stuff and you know more, you would wait for lower to the bottom to DCA for sure. But a lot of people have DCA plans for average folk that don't know how to trade, and DCA works. Like Piper has been printing money on his DCA because because if you notice the market doesn't go in a straight line, eh? So he'll DCA, like he could DCA from here, DCA, and then he'll sell when on these peaks, or go on the 8 hour. See, no straight lines. Notice how there's no straight lines. So like a guy could DCA like right here, quarter or like a tenth or something, and then like another 10%, and then do like 20%, and then on the bounce do 30% or put the rest in, and then he sells at these highs and makes a shitload of money, and then DCA's back in again, and then sells at these highs and makes a shitload of money. So I wouldn't advise against making a shitload of money doing something that works, but I understand your sentiment. You're waiting for like zero or bot like psych. See, that's the other thing. Like, where's the bottom? Like, I'm not psychic, so I don't know when the bottom is. So that's why I like DCing too, because I'm not psychic. I'm an idiot savant, but I'm not psychic. So I like DCing, but I don't have any spot right now. I'm just trading with it to earn back all my losses. Lunar Beaches, are you sending it to zero with Frank? Oh, we're screwed, bro. Lunar Beaches is a legend too. Frank's, and every time I don't listen to Frank, later, not every time, but a lot of times, I'm like, frick, I should have listened to Frank. But that just might be because, like, when price tanks, I always think of Frank. I'm like, oh, Frank, I should have listened to Frank. A Canadian surfer. DC gay. Yeah. Alex, you DCA too. You just wait till, like, closer to the bottom. But yeah, I would wait for those MVP oscillator candles to fire before I put buy spot again. Like these ones. You can even catch, check it out, you can catch like local little bottoms off these too on smaller time frames. When these green candles fire, juicy. When these green candles fire, that's like the bottom, bro. Juicy. Green candles fire, juicy. But that's how I use it. But Piper uses it on the, and this is how I'd use it for my spot bag. The weekly, eh? David? Weekly. How's he use it on the weekly? They've never fired. Oh, wrong chart probably. Whatever, I'll go to the 3-day. There we go. Got some fire in. Let's see where they fired on the 3-day. Right here. Juicy. Look at that jog up. Look at all my anchored VWAPs, bro. From like a long time ago. But anyways, bottom, juicy pump. Like, I would start DCAing on this. Ring. For sure. What about this? Little bit of a pump on that one. But the what is this, a moving average or like a cloud, MACD cloud kinda? Yeah, probably moving average cloud. It was still at the high end when these ones fired. See, when these ones fired though, down here, the cloud was towards the bottom, which would probably be a good time to start nibbling in there, nibbling in, and catch that dirty move. And right now they're firing on the 3-day too. This is actually why I called a pump prematurely, of course, like I do, because look at where they started firing up here. See, so it can be, I was premature on it, but that's why I've been looking for this juicy pump. It's like, come on. I still think we're gonna get it. The RSI's bottomed out. This is bottomed out. This looks like it's about to kind of twist. Maybe do a little sweep and continuation up. But that could take forever though, because it's on a 3-day. But I like how it's firing on the 8-hour too. Jesse, good luck. Good morning, bro. Yeah, I don't know, man. It works pretty good. Who else uses it? That scalper chart prime. Langstrom. Langstrom uses a prime oscillator with a MVP oscillator. Oh, Dutchy, we can get you one, bro. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. We'll get a send Dutchy a cream hat fund. And good morning, Dutchy, Mark Dutch, Jesse Gluck. Clover's in the chat for Jesse. Five minutes till Alex crypto, and then Mark Dutch, the man, the myth, the legend, would choose in the chat for Dutchy. And because I'm a little lowbrow, I always throw in a wood leg for Dutch. Because we know he's got it like that. Or at least he says he does, I don't know. It's fun to pretend. Yeah. Dutchy's a OG too. Legend. So many legends in one chat, I know, eh, bro? Isn't that crazy? I'm so blessed. So blessed. But yeah, this thing works on lower time frames. Piper likes it on the weekly and the daily, I think, more. I like it on the like 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. It definitely doesn't hurt none. I haven't used it for a long time though, because the oscillator, the normal one works just fine. Like with the clipping, bear divs, bull divs, 2 to 4 hour bull divs hit hard. If you have to work and sleep, probably 2 to 4 hour bull divs for the big play. So we got relatively equal lows here on the 4 hour, but the RSI and the oscillator have a higher low. So that's a slight bull div, and it is playing out, and the moving average concurs. How are you this morning, Mark Dutch? Where you been? We gotta get Dutchy on here on Fridays for drinks. Crypto on the rocks with Keith. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Never mind. I gotta fix these candles, bro. These volume candles. I was watching this and no one can see these. I turned it up yesterday, but I pressed that back button and it wrecked it. Is that bright enough? Let's try that. Can you guys see the volume candles better now? I used to make fun of OC for indicators. Now look at me checking out all these different things. So what we got for levels here right now. Remember that guy in chat yesterday? It's like, you don't need all those lines. It's like, I trade all day. Why wouldn't I have lines on my chart, bro? Maybe he's like got some secret sauce. I asked him to come back and share his secret sauce so I could do it without levels. But yeah, so what do we got here? How come I can't see it? Okay, there it is. Previous day mid. Right there. This is juicy resistance here. That's cool. We wicked into this support that we drew that one day. That was dope. We could fill this wick, you guys. I'm telling you. We can still go up again or more. We could sweep the lows first, or just do a little pullback. Time will tell. Time will tell. What if today they just went like do because of all the news? Oh, time for Alex Crypto. Jesse, are you still here? Oh, you dropped the link. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you. Yeah, Alex Crypto. Link in the chat. Thanks for coming. Thanks for having coffee and chilling. And happy printing. Hope everyone has a good day. And trade safe today. A lot of red folders. Oh, donuts in the chat. Yeah, jellies. Harp's printing jellies. Canadian Maple. Shout out to Canadian Maple. Tim Hortons. Let's go. Anyways, happy printing, everyone. Peace.